In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts. 5 minutes. We're going to turn your Notion database into clear, visual insights you can scan at a glance. If you've ever stared at rows of entries wondering what the trend actually looks like, charts will save you time and help you make better decisions. Start by opening Notion in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the page that contains the database you want to visualize. Charts work with databases, things like tables, boards, lists, or galleries. If you're on a regular page without database properties, convert it to a database first, or open one that already exists. At the top of your database, look for the View tabs. You'll see the name of your current view, like table or board. Click the plus button right next to that name. This creates a new view without changing your original layout, so you can experiment safely. From the View Type menu that appears, select Chart. This tells Notion that this new view should display your data as a visualization instead of rows or cards. If you don't see Chart right away, make sure your app is up to date and that you're adding a view to a database, not a plain page. Next, choose the chart type that fits your story. Bar charts are great for comparing categories, line charts are ideal for trends over time, and pie charts work for showing parts of a whole. Don't stress about this choice. You can switch types later if the data looks better another way. A configuration window will open where you'll set your x-axis and y-axis using fields from your database. For the x-axis, pick the property you want to group or plot, such as a date, status, or category. For the y-axis, choose the numeric value or aggregation you want to display. Notion can count items or aggregate a number property like sum or average. If your numbers aren't showing, check that the property is a number or a formula returning a number. For dates, you can usually choose the time granularity like daily, weekly, or monthly to smooth the trend. Now refine your chart so it's easier to read. Add filters to focus on exactly what matters, maybe only items from this quarter or a specific status. Apply sorting to control the order, such as highest to lowest. Then adjust appearance options like colors, labels, legends, and grid lines so the data is clear and accessible. Small tweaks here can dramatically improve readability. That's it. Your database now tells its story visually. Explore different chart types and configurations and let the chart guide your next decision.